Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you honest and in-depth reviews of the most exciting machines on wheels. Today, we're diving into something that combines the power of a truck with the comfort of a five-star suite. The all-new 2025 Kenworth T2250 Motorhome. Kenworth has always been known for building some of the toughest and most reliable trucks on the road. But with the T2250 Motorhome, they've taken that rugged reliability and fused it with top-tier luxury and innovation. At first glance, it still carries that unmistakable Kenworth front, bold grille, strong stance, and a presence that commands respect. But step around the back, and you're welcomed into a world of pure luxury. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust 15-liter PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering massive torque for smooth highway cruising, even when you're carrying all the luxuries of home. The T2250 handles like a dream thanks to its advanced suspension system and intelligent stability controls, making long-distance travel a pleasure, not a chore. Step inside, and this is where the magic really happens. The 2225 T2250 features a fully customized interior that feels more like a luxury condo on wheels than a motorhome. We're talking premium leather seating, a full gourmet kitchen with smart appliances, a walk-in shower, and even a master bedroom with a king-sized bed. Ambient lighting, climate control, and a high-end sound system wrap everything in modern elegance. Tech-wise, Kenworth didn't hold back. The cockpit is loaded with digital touchscreens, a fully integrated navigation system, voice command controls, and driver assist features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras for easy parking. You even get solar panels on the roof to help power your electronics when you're off the grid. Storage? It's got plenty. External compartments for gear and tools, internal hidden spaces for essentials, and even a garage option in the rear, too. Store a motorcycle or compact EV. Of course, with great luxury comes a hefty price tag. Starting around $650,000, the Kenworth T2250 Motorhome isn't for the casual camper. It's for those who want the open road without sacrificing comfort or style. But if you're looking for the ultimate road warrior experience, this beast delivers. Overall, the 2025 Kenworth T2250 is more than just a motorhome. It's a lifestyle statement. Power, luxury, and cutting-edge tech, all packed into one incredible machine. That's it for today's review on Honest Auto Wheels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world reviews on the coolest rides out there. Let us know in the comments. Would you take this luxury giant on your next adventure? See you in the next one.